Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about that. And let's watch this car actually sell.
We hustle daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another auction video, man. We at Copart. We're not gonna drag this video off today, man. We're gonna get right into it, man. We got a couple of cars to check out. If I see some other stuff that y'all probably be interested in, I'm gonna go ahead and check those out. But really, I just came here for about 2 or 3 cars, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, man. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell right by the subscribe button for me. And if y'all want to see early videos, y'all probably got to do it on a computer or an Android phone. You can hit the join button right by the subscribe button so y'all can see earlier videos. Y'all can see members, you know what I mean? Y'all can be members of the channel. But yeah, oh yeah, and whdacademy.com if y'all want to learn how to buy cars, learn how to flip your money, learn how to check out a car at the auction, because a lot of people, they be going to the auctions, and like I keep telling y'all be on the side of the road. So if you want to learn how to make money, man, if you want to learn how to inspect cars and all that, I got everything you need in an academy. Make sure you check the academy out. But first car is right here. Let's get right into it. All right, we ain't gonna waste no time. We got a little the window is down, I see that, but we got a little Kia Spectra. Look like they put some wheels on the Kia, didn't they? Okay, I see you, player. Let me see what size they got. R15s. Yeah, so they got the MB wheels. That's what it say, I think. I don't know what that is, but got a little I see they did the black and the black and chrome. Okay. It's been, what kind of steering wheel is this, bro? Bro, do y'all see this steering wheel? Hold up, G. Hold up. First of all, there's no power. And we got all type of stuff in here. But have y'all ever seen a steering wheel like this, bruh? Look at it. It look futuristic. That's crazy. I've never seen a steering wheel like this. Let me know in the comments right now if this car comes with this steering wheel, bro. Do y'all see this cutout? That's crazy. That's crazy. Unless they cut it and then put these on there. I've never seen a steering wheel like this, guys. So they probably cut it and put this on there, or I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below. But we're automatically not interested in this because windows busted and I don't got no power. Y'all know how I feel about stuff that don't got power. If it don't got power, I don't even want to mess with it. But dang, dude. Oh, I'm tripping all over these rocks. But all right, first car is down, man. The first car is gonna be a no-go. It got a different color, it got a different fender on it and everything. Got a couple of things going on with this car. I got the steering wheel, they got the wheels. They want some little, what you call them, ricers, but we're gonna keep it moving, guys. Oh man, I do not feel like doing all that walking today. I'm gonna show y'all this new Hyundai. I don't know if I showed y'all this before, but I thought this was cool. Like I said, if I see some cool stuff, go ahead and show y'all. This the new Sonata, that brand new joint. Let's check out the new Sonata, see what the new Sonata looking like. 1.6 turbo, a little sleek little car. I like the wheels, sleek little wheels on it. Y'all know these can you know, go forward and backwards by themselves. Nice little interior black with the holes in it. Smell check. Looks like this boy got the double roof. No, I definitely haven't seen this one here. Definitely haven't seen this one. Dang, this boy got that stupid big roof, bro. Gauges. I mean, I like this, but then I don't like it because I know it can get, well, I don't know if it'll get like handprints and stuff. No power on it, but it got the Bose little system. Nice little gauges. I like the new Sonata. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. It looks like it got the phone charger here. Park, reverse, neutral drive.
They got all kind of goodies in here, huh? The hell is this? Emergency use. Oh, it's to bust the glass. That's cool. A little emergency hammer. Oh yeah, they was being safe, man. Yeah, sometimes you do gotta be safe. I'm trying to see what's in this red bag. Yeah, but sometimes, yeah, man, you do gotta be safe because you know, they be having those what's some things called? The things that cut the seat belts and all of that. The things that cut the seat belts. They got little vents right here. 1, 2, 3, little 4 vents. Oh man, it's too bad they don't got no power Bose system. I like the double roof. This must be the steering wheel, kind of nice too. Oh, let me back up so y'all can really see it. There you go. So this is the remote that's supposed to be able to like move the car. Oh, here it is. Move it up. Oh, it got power. The remote got power. So you be able to park it, move it forward, move it up. That's cool, man. I think that's really, really cool. But other than that, man, black interior, some type of gray with the black, with the, what the heck is that? And yeah, new 20, what did I say, 2020? 2020. Dang, it's so freaking, oh, my freaking wrist. Oh, man. Some type of 4-cylinder turbo, baby. Brand new car, man. I don't even know why this car is here, but I don't see anything wrong with it. But I don't see any damage or anything. But it is an insurance car, so. Other than that, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Sonata, man. I like the roof and everything. It look cool, but man, we gotta keep it moving, y'all. We got the Monte Carlo SS, baby. I like them headlights. Monte Carlo SS, Indianapolis Motor Speedway. 239 on the miles. Dang. I like the little brown seat covers they had. They tried to go for SS on the, what you call it? I used to want one of these so freaking bad. I guess just for the Impala name, you know? But now I don't feel the same way. I don't really even care for these. I'll take an SS though. I ain't never driven one. Supercharged, baby. And it's the supercharged one. 3800. Y'all like this motor for some reason. A lot of y'all like this motor. I like the 34 and the 31, even though I know the 31 and the 34, they be having overheating problems, I know, but I just like it. There's your dent, duals. Looks like, I don't know what's going on here. Let's see if it got power though. So we just walk away from it. It do. We'll try to crank it up. We'll try to crank it up. Damn, this shit toe up. It's running bad. Running kind of rough, but it is running. I think it's salvage title though. You see the putt button and stuff. That rocks in there. Hit the gas one time. Damn, all the rocks came out. Rocks just flying out. It sounds good though. It's cranked up kind of rough. do got 239 on the miles, but it's all right. Oh, man. But that's another thing, y'all. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add that into this video, but do y'all remember the because that car is today, that what's that thing called, that it's the thumbnail, the you gotta see who been watching the videos of the Chevy Malibu, the 99 Chevy Malibu. It's a thumbnail. So like a couple of videos ago, the title is like, should I buy this car from Copart? So y'all let me know what y'all think, how much y'all think I should pay for that. Look at this, that's that new Caddy. What y'all think about the Caddy faces? Y'all know the new Escalade faces like that too. This a XT6. That sun is really in y'all way. Try to get y'all. I know Cadillac is doing this 400 and stuff like that. Really? It's not gonna crank. It's not gonna open. Let's see if this side is open. But yeah, man, that Malibu, I don't know. We gonna see about the. I don't know. Like I say, I don't know if I'm gonna add that in this video or not. But it got that. Y'all can't really see it, man. It's like burgundy. That sun is everywhere. Brown. Is that brown or burgundy? I can't tell. Let's see what the 2020 looking like. Oh, we got some type of sliding thing, and it's already dirty in there. What happened to the dang on button? Dang, they sit close up to the steering wheel, boy. Back this thing up. Plain Jane. Let's see if y'all can see it. Plain Jane. Nothing too special, man, honestly. Pliers, everything. It's honestly nothing too special about this Cadillac. Ugh. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna add that in this video. Y'all just stick around. I might add it in here. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the lights. I think the front look aggressive. Cause y'all know this is like this on the new Escalade, but I don't know. A little, what, V6 looking like this? Oh, it just got a funny little intake on it. But yeah, it's a V6 sideways, V6. 400. I guess that means 400. That 400 that's in the back, I think that means like 400 horsepower. Did we look in the back? Oh, we got the double roof now. Third row. Okay. But yeah, man. Like I say, I don't know if I want to add that. I think this means 400 horsepower, I think. I don't know. But yeah, like I say, I don't know if I want to add that in this video, guys, of me seeing what that Impala, that Malibu go for. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think I should pay for it, because it was that video. Let me sit down real quick. It was that video of the oh, that sun is everywhere. It was that video. It's the thumbnail, so make sure y'all check that out. Make sure y'all let me know how much y'all think I should pay for that guy, because it's coming up today. So well, I probably been guided or didn't guide it. I already got a number in my mind. So like I say, I might add that in this video, I might not, but y'all just gotta, you know what I'm saying, wait until see what I put at the end of the video. But if I don't win it, I probably won't put it at the end of the video. But man, I know we only checked out a couple of vehicles today, guys, but man, it's nothing out here, y'all. So yeah, we didn't check out no cars. I don't even feel like going to find this Toyota. It was a Toyota Corolla Tundra with 300,000 miles, like a 02, 03, but I don't even want to go look for it, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and call it a wrap for this video, man. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to flip your money, buy cars, sell cars. You know, I got a basic package, I got a full curriculum package, I got everything on there y'all need. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, so you know the little end. I might add it in there, I might not. So y'all just got to see
But we are gonna be trying to bid on that Chevy Impala, and if you, I mean that Chevy Malibu, and if you don't know what Chevy Malibu I'm talking about, make sure you check the thumbnail. It says, should I buy this Chevy, this car from Copart or something like that. It's a couple of videos ago, so make sure y'all check that out. But it's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone. Peace. All right, Hustle Nation, and I'm gonna just go over this with y'all because as you can see, this is the Malibu here. Make sure y'all check the video out of let me turn this down actually. Make sure y'all check the video out. I'm gonna put it in the link in the description. It's gonna be the very first link in the description where I'm actually showing y'all this car. This video that I made was just about this car. So let's go over the price real quick. So the max bid, you know, my next bid can be $675. They already are at $650. So I got the calculator up for right here for you guys. So let's do $675 plus a $210 what you call that buyer's fee, plus a $59 gate fee, plus a $59 internet fee. That brings me to $1,003. Now y'all let me know if y'all think that's worth the deal. Now the car needed emissions, so I'm just gonna add all this in there. I'm sorry guys. So needed a $20 emissions, and it also needed well, I didn't have to add the $7, but I was gonna ride this car through the car wash and you know, go vacuum it over there at my little spot that I like. So that brings us to $1,030. Me personally, what I feel I could sell the car for probably would be honestly, man, like, you know, because it was dirty. That's why I want y'all to check the first link in the description below. But, you know, let's just say I could sell it for, I mean, we'll do $1,350. We'll do $1,350 because, you know, I know the market and, you know, where I'm at and stuff. Y'all may be like, oh, you could have sold it for 15, this, that, and the third. Maybe, maybe not. You know, you probably would have had to wait for it. In my experience, I'm going to just tell you what I think I could sell the car for. $1,350 is kind of pushing it, but we're going to go for $1,350. So if you do $1,350 minus the $1,030, that brings us to $320. So with that being said, I am actually going to pass on the car. Now, you know, and then, you know, we're at Copart. I don't know if there's suspension issues or anything like that, but y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about that. And let's watch this car actually sell.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Let's see. Ain't nobody gonna bid. Sold. All right, let's turn this down. So let's go over that. So $650 plus the $210 key fee, I mean the internet fee, plus the 59, plus the 59. Oops. What the heck? My bad. Hold up. 650 plus 210 plus 59 plus 59 equals. So that's what they won the car at. Remember, I would have had to give them the extra $25 because of the 675, and we would have went back to exactly what I said. So the 1,000, you know, the $20 plus the 7, we would have went back to the $1,030. Y'all let me know if y'all think that was good in the comments below. Check the first link in the description. Then come back to this video and let me know, was that Malibu worth this price? I'm very interested in y'all opinion. Y'all let me know in the comments below.